Hi everyone. Opera Browser is built to give us a smooth and efficient browsing experience. But sometimes, unexpected things happen, like accidentally closing the browser, system crashes, or sudden restarts that make us lose all our open tabs. When this happens, it can be frustrating, especially if we were working on something important or had many websites open. Luckily, Opera has a feature that lets us restore our previous sessions, so all the tabs and windows we had open come back. By learning how to use this feature, we save time and avoid the hassle of finding each page again. Now, this guide will show us how to restore a previous session in Opera Browser quickly and easily. Many people don't know that Opera saves session data and gives us built-in ways to reopen recently closed tabs, or even entire browsing sessions. This guide explains where to find the restore option, how to turn on session saving, and what to do if our session doesn't come back automatically. By following these steps, we can get our lost tabs back and keep working without starting over. First, open the browser. Let's look at the easiest way to get closed tabs back. Once we open the browser, let's say we have a Google tab. If we close it by mistake, we can bring it back using the keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+Shift+T. This will reopen the closed tab in Opera. Another way is to check our history. Go to the history by clicking the Opera logo in the top left corner. Click this icon, then choose History. Here, we can pick from our past browsing which tabs to reopen. We can also search our history to find certain pages. We can scroll to see the time or link we opened or closed and reopen it from there. One of Opera's features is that if we close the whole Opera Mini browser by accident, we can get all those tabs back just by opening Opera Mini again. Opera Mini has a setting that keeps tabs from the last session when we start it. Opera also saves memory for tabs closed by mistake. After we restore sessions in Opera, we can keep browsing right where we left off. This is helpful for work, research, and multitasking, so accidental closures don't slow us down. To prevent this in the future, we can turn on startup settings so previous tabs open automatically. With these tips, we can browse knowing our important tabs are safe and easy to recover.